My apartment and meet my roommate.
Hello.
Ciao. Yeah, introduce yourselves.
Okay, I'm Marissa. Hello. Irene. I'm Olivia.
Hi. Okay. Morning. Good morning. So we made breakfast. Irene and I are having miso soup. Olivia ate
Frittata.
frittata? No. And so we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go out and I think we're going to the Trevi Fountain. Irene, how do you cross roads here?
You don't. You shouldn't.
You're supposed to, okay, so there are roads for pedestrians that have white lines across like the car roads that don't have signals for when the pedestrians can cross. So what you do is you make eye contact with the driver and you cross. The tour guide lady was telling me this and she legitimately was like, this is how you cross the road. And it's like the busiest, like longest road I've ever seen and she legit just starts crossing and people are like driving like 20 miles per hour right at her and she just like makes eye contact and just walks across. Yeah, I was shook. Look at all these people here for the Trevi Fountain. Oh my goodness, so many people. This is known to be the #1 area where people get pickpocketed. So, better be careful. We're gonna make a wish. Ready? Think of your wish. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Right here. Their bubbles are gone now. Okay. We were taking pictures at the Trevi Fountain, right? And there was this family that was blocking us, so we waited a little bit, but they were like tinted, like it was to the point where Irene was basically taking a picture with the sun, right? And he was like sitting right next to her, so I asked him, like, can we take a picture real quick? And the lady, the mother, she goes, 5 minutes you've been here. And she was like really mean about it, right? And I looked at her and I was like, man, this lady's right. I really can't argue. A bunch of people are staring at us because I'm vlogging.
That is true.
Yeah. Where are we going now?
Back to school.
Yep.
And then we're going to get gelato.
We got our gelato. How was the gelato?
It's really good. It's so good.
Yeah, what did you say it was? Tell us about this gelato.
It's the best in Rome.
Yeah, it was really good. I downed that so fast. Hi! Livia, where are we?
We're at, what's this place called? Camilla? No, Marcelo.
No, it's Camilla.
We're at Camilla.
Camillo.
Camillo.
Yeah, for what is this called? Aperitivo?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're here for aperitivo, which is a happy hour. Yeah. You see, there's no stoplight. Cars passing. You just make eye contact and cross. They're not gonna hit me.
They're gonna hit you. I'm always like deciding whether it should slow down or not.
No, but that's literally what the tour guide told us to do. If there's no signal light, you just make eye contact and cross. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick apartment tour. So let's start our house tour. I don't need this on me right now. Okay, so when you first walk in, you're greeted with a mirror. There's another mirror here. Here's a huge hallway, and here is our living room. And this is our dining room. All the girls last night, we were all just talking and eating here. And we have a balcony right here. And we live on the first floor, so it's sort of loud at night, but hey, it's pretty nice. We're smack dab in the middle of the city. If you walk straight down this road, there's the Supreme Court. And then this is our living room. And if you walk this way, we have our kitchen. We're gonna cook right now our lunch because we're sort of hungry, and this has all the girls' stuff. And if you walk down this hallway again, we have, this is Marissa and Livia's room, so that we have double rooms, and this is Irene and my room. It's like this. There's a closet. And then we have another balcony here, but it's just really cold and loud, and so we don't like turning that on. But there's another mirror here. If you go through this door, there's Marissa and Livia's room. We have our bathroom, and there's a shower. It was so great. They like provided everything for us. We have towels, we have adapters. Oh, it's really foggy. I should probably open the window a little bit here while we're home. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna crack it open. But yeah, we have a little coat closet here, and you turn it around, and it turns into a mirror. Yep. So yeah, we're back in the hallway. We have a single room with our last roommate, and this is her room, Camila. You haven't met her yet, but you will soon. And yeah. We've had orientation for the past 2 days, and it's been really great. We're learning a lot of information. We've been learning a lot about the culture just by being here, and yeah, but I think that's gonna be this first intro vlog, and yeah, see you soon.